नाट्यशास्त्र ऊनविंशाध्याये काकुस्वरव्यञ्जकः। नाट्ये पात्राणि सम्भाषणविधिः, पात्राणां नामाभिधाने विधिः, पाठ्यगुणाः, रसभेदेषु सप्तस्वराणां विनियोगः, चत्वारो वर्णः, द्विविधो काकुश्च, रसभेदेषु षडलङ्काराणां विनियोगः। नाट्यशास्त्र chapter 19 modes of address and intonation. Different modes of address. Modes of addressing males, addressing great sages, addressing gods, sectarian teachers and learned men, addressing the Brahmin, addressing the king, addressing the teacher, addressing an old man, Brahmins addressing the king, Brahmins addressing ministers, addressing the equals, privileged inferiors addressing superiors, addressing employees, artisans and artists, addressing persons of respect, addressing persons of equal status, the charioteer addressing the chariot rider, addressing an ascetic or a person with beatitude, addressing princes, addressing inferior person, addressing persons by their occupation or birth, addressing a son or a disciple, addressing Buddhist and Jain monks, addressing persons of other sects, people addressing the king, sages addressing the king, a jester addressing the king addressing the jester, women addressing their husband, addressing the elder and the younger brothers, modes of addressing women, addressing female ascetics and goddesses, addressing wives of senior persons and elderly ladies, addressing an accessible woman and an old lady, addressing a king's wives, addressing unmarried princess, addressing a sister, addressing a Brahmin lady, a nun or a female ascetic, addressing one's wife, women addressing their equals, addressing a bandmaid, addressing a courtesan, addressing wife in lovemaking, giving names to different characters in a play, name of Brahmins and Kshatriyas, naming merchants and warriors, naming kings' wives and courtesans, naming bandmaids and menials, naming superior persons, naming other persons, qualities of recitation, 7 notes to suit different sentiments, uses of 3 voice registers, uses of 4 accents, 2 ways of intonation, the 6 alankaras, uses of the 6 alankaras, intonation in different sentiments, 6 limbs of enunciation, pause defined, use of pause, hands in conjunction with alankaras and pause, drawn out syllables and their use. Here ends chapter 19 of Bharata's Natyashastra, which treats of intonation in connection with the verbal representation. नाट्यशास्त्राच्या 19व्या अध्यायात नाटकाच्या कथानकांचा विचार केला आहे. प्रारंभ, प्रयत्न, प्राप्तिसंभव, नियत, फलप्राप्ती आणि फलयोग या कथानकांच्या 5 अवस्था बीज, बिंदू, पताका, प्रकरी आणि कार्य या 5 अर्थ प्रकृती, मुख, प्रतिमुख, गर्भ, विमर्श आणि विरवहण हे 5 संधी आणि प्रत्येक संधीचे 12 अथवा 13 या प्रकारे एकूण 64 सथ्यंगे यांचे वर्णन केले आहे. त्याशिवाय साम, भेद, दंड, दान, वध, गोत्र, गोत्रस्खलित वगैरे 21 सध्यंतरे, 5 पताका स्थानक आणि गेयपद, स्थितपाठ्य, पुष्टगंडिका आणि 10 लास्यांगे यांचेही विवरण केले आहे. शेवटी नाटकात सर्व प्रकारच्या लोकस्वभावांचे दर्शन घडवावे असे सांगून नाटकाच्या रचनेविषयी काही सूचना केल्या आहेत.